Ball Colegrave Showcase gardens here. These are one of the big kind of plant breeders in the UK, and we've been very lucky to be able to come along and kind of see this kind of glimpse of how plants could look in the future. New varieties, lots of different colour themes. Noticed how, you know, the shirt that I'm wearing just happens to be the right colour combination. It's just, I guess you've either got it or you haven't. Anyway, so just looking lovely through here. But I wanted to show you one particular theme that really kind of jumped out to me. So, you know, plants look so much better when the sun's out, don't they? And these plants are loving the sunny weather. And that's that kind of heat wave idea here, with kind of lots of vivid reds and oranges and yellows there. Suits a summer day like this. And if you just turn round to your right, ladies and gentlemen, how about this for a living wall of begonias? Whoa. Lovely. However, this is my favourite. So this is what they're calling the urban jungle. And I wonder, could your garden look like this? It's all about gracefully arching foliage, contrasting foliage colours, pop colours and dark colours to get the contrast. Alright. Yeah, parrots and things. This reminds us of maybe holidays abroad. It reminds me of the Borneo jungle. I went there many years ago. Rich, vivid, luscious, lush foliage, and it feels kind of healthy and Garden of Eden stuff here. So could our gardens be looking like this in the future? Watch this space.